So this is where you can get that bot. So you can either go to the even odd bot or the smart trade. So this one is more accurate, very well. So you just go to the even odd digits here, then you make sure that you are on a market that is showing that the update. So you can see check if the last three, so you'll just put here. So you can say check if the last 4 digits are odd, then trade even. Are we together? So just change there. It's on the smart bot. So it's simple as that. So you can see the condition. It says check if the last 4 digits are odd, then trade even. So you'll just put your whatever stake here. So let's use a 4 stake, and then we use a martingale of for 3. So let me just put a martingale of 3, then you see how it happens. So when you start the auto trade, so when we start the auto trade, it will be checking that condition, and then it enters a trade that way. So you can use it, the smart bot is a bit well, and you can check there where it is calculating. You can see 2 odds, 3, okay, 1 even. You can see the 1x there. So 2 even, so 1x odd, 2x odd, 3x odd. Then if it meets 4, it executes a trade signal alert. It sends immediately. So that is how it's doing. Okay. So if the trades are on the same exact spot, you can see there what was happening. So as long as it is calculating 4, it will be executing those trades. So if there is a streak of a very long streak of that, it will keep executing. It won't go back to starting analysis again. No, it will continue with that sequence, because already we have 4 consecutive odd digits. So that is the reason you can see this streak here, because it was trading on every tick. So you can also change you can see there is a streak again, 4. Okay, can you see? Because it's trading on every tick, it doesn't meet. Let's want you to see. It's a very accurate bot. So whenever there is a wrong streak, it will be executing on those last digits. So you can change the number of ticks here, is if you want to use 2 or 3. So I want you to see again. Let's see. Right now it cannot, because it is not qualified. So you can see 2x, 3x, then 4x, then it executes. The next digit is even, so you must win. Why? Because it is checking the last digit. So if there is a streak and you want maybe to avoid those streaks, you can use 2 ticks, but I think using 1 tick is also better, because unless now you get to see that there's a longer streak of like 16 or 10 and above, which is not normally possible most of the time. So you can see there we have even. So you can use check the last how many ticks. You can put whatever you want. So you can see 3, 4 and x. Okay, so that is a loss again with digit 9, another loss. So now here we are getting losses until we hit that entry. So have you seen? Until that streak has come to an end. So there is a point still, you'll still come and win. So whatever you use, it's just play along with better better stakes, so that you are on a good edge. You can see it is not like missing. Like here we had 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5th one was uneven, and that's why you've won. So it's a very nice boat, and as long as you play along with psychology, like there, see the next one is even, must guaranteed a win. So that is it. Test it, let me know on the comment section, or you can just text me. So that is how you can use the smart bots under the even odd digits. So the best part of it, I told you, it is not missing the next digit. That's why we were having issues with Deriv. The normal trading, it normally like delays picking a trade, and that's where you go wrong. But now you cannot complain, because it is not missing any tick. That's the advantage of using the smart boats. So see another one, streak of 4 entry, then the next one is even must guaranteed a win. So that is it. So to stop, you must stop here, then you are done.